Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from NUBIA Red Magic 8S Pro to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, use the same options in both apps to set it up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then click on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of NUBIA. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on NUBIA, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple of them, just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and then tap on the Receive button. If you prefer to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide, close a node, allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!